Imagine a mysterious planet lurking at the edges of our solar system, so elusive and enigmatic that scientists have yet to lay eyes on it. This is the tantalizing possibility presented by the concept of Planet 9, a hypothetical planet believed to be lurking in the outer reaches of our solar system. But does this mysterious world exist, or is it just a figment of our imaginations? Join us as we explore the latest evidence and theories surrounding the search for Planet 9. The Planet 9. Planet 9, also known as Planet X, is a hypothetical planet that some scientists believe exists in the outer reaches of our solar system. The idea of Planet 9 first emerged in 2014, when astronomers noticed unusual clustering in the orbits of distant Kuiper Belt objects beyond Neptune. Some researchers hypothesized that the gravitational pull of a large undiscovered planet was causing these unusual orbital patterns. Since then, several teams of astronomers have conducted extensive searches for Planet 9, using a variety of methods, including analyzing the movements of objects in the Kuiper Belt, searching for gravitational lensing effects, and looking for evidence of reflected light. A new possibility. For the past few years, the possibility of a new and big planet hanging around in the outermost regions of the solar system has tantalized scientists and the public alike. But after years of searching, astronomers have found zero new planets in that realm. While some tantalizing clues have been found, no direct evidence of Planet 9 has been observed so far. However, the search for Planet 9 continues, and many scientists remain convinced that it is only a matter of time before the planet is finally discovered. Some researchers believe that the planet could be up to 10 times the size of Earth, and could be located as far as 600 astronomical units, AU, from the Sun. If Planet 9 does indeed exist, it would be a major discovery that could shed new light on the history and evolution of our solar system. The deep dark. We've only been studying the region of the solar system past the orbit of Neptune for a few decades now, and after a moment of introspection, it's easy to see why. Astronomy out here is kind of challenging because the objects we're trying to hunt down are A, very, very small, and B, very, very far away. That makes them hard to spot. Besides Pluto, discovered by basically blind luck in 1930. Our understanding of the outer solar system was completely absent until 1992, when astronomers found their first Kuiper Belt object, a frozen little remnant from the formation of the solar system, lazily circling the Sun in near-perfect darkness beyond Neptune. Since then, we found thousands more such objects, categorizing and subcategorizing them as we go, as astronomers are wont to do. For the rest of our story, we'll be focusing on a class of characters known as extreme trans-Neptunian objects, or ETOs. If you've never heard that jargon term before, don't be scared. It's astronomers for really, really far past the orbit of Neptune. In 2003, astronomers discovered perhaps the strangest ETNO yet, Sedna. Sedna is big, about half the size of Pluto, but sits in a truly ridiculous orbit. Over 11,000 years, twice that of all of recorded human history, Sedna swings from 76 astronomical units to over 900 AU, then back again. The case for 9. Among the solar system's more intriguing mysteries is whether a large, icy planet lives in the outer regions of our cosmic neighborhood, well beyond the orbit of Neptune. This hypothetical world, nicknamed Planet 9 by some of the scientists searching for it, has stirred up controversy since it was first proposed. The unseen planet is predicted to exist based on its apparent gravitational influence on a group of small objects with odd clustered orbits. But so far, searches for it have come up empty, and critics contend that the hints of its presence are just ghosts in the data. Now, a new analysis predicts that if it's out there, that skulking planet could be closer, brighter, and easier to spot than previously estimated. Instead of orbiting our home star once every 18,500 years, astronomers calculate that it loops around the Sun in about 7,400 years. That tighter orbit brings it much closer to the Sun than previously expected, which means that Planet 9 may appear brighter to Earth-based telescopes. The world is bigger than Earth. Brown's latest analyses of Planet 9's gravitational shenanigans, calculated with his Caltech colleague Konstantin Batygin, suggest that the world is roughly 6 times as massive as Earth, which would likely make it either a rocky super-Earth or a gaseous mini-Neptune. If discovered, the planet would be the first large world to join the solar system's cast of characters since 1846, when astronomers announced the discovery of Neptune, an ice giant whose presence was forecast by its gravitational influence on Uranus. But over the years, skeptics have suggested that the gravitational signatures betraying Planet 9's presence are nothing more than observational artifacts. The apparent clustering of distant objects' orbits doesn't reflect the influence of an unseen world, critics argue, and is instead the result of natural biases in sky surveys. What might Planet 9 look like? Assuming this planet-like object does exist out there, Planet 9's mass would most likely be a magnitude, roughly 10 times, greater than Earth's, with a girth approaching the range of one of our ice giants. A likely scenario explaining the body's far-flung position puts its origins somewhere between the orbits of Jupiter to Neptune, with a birth much like any of the other gas planets in our solar system. How could we confirm that Planet 9 exists? If Planet 9 exists, its extreme remoteness, somewhere around 10 times farther out than Neptune, limits the amount of sunlight reflecting from its surface. Spotting it would be made harder the farther away it is, not just because of its dullness, but its relative drop in orbital speed would make differences in position harder to identify. There are telescopes capable of observing an object of this size, though with so much sky to cover, researchers would first need to whittle down sections of space where Planet 9 is unlikely to exist. In conclusion, the search for Planet 9 continues to captivate the imaginations of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. While the existence of this hypothetical planet remains unproven, the evidence in support of its existence continues to mount, and discoveries are being made all the time. Whether or not Planet 9 ultimately turns out to be real, the search for this elusive world is a testament to our human curiosity and our relentless quest to understand the mysteries of the universe. As our technology and knowledge continue to advance, we may one day uncover the truth about this distant and enigmatic planet, and in doing so, expand our understanding of the outer reaches of our solar system and the vast expanse of space beyond.